Do you know the coolest job in the world? Scientific Site brings you this topic. Probably most enjoyable job we present one. If you want to do this job, there are few requirements you must take. If you want to know, comment in the box below. The job is pretty cool. It's nothing but tasting ice creams. It is even delightful.
So in tasting, what we do is take a small amount right off the top. It doesn't take much. That's the warmest part right here. I'm going to invert the spoon. Cover all 9,000 taste buds. Aerate it. Warm it up. Driving up that top note. That cream. Pure vanilla. Sweeteners. That's a 10.
Everyone has a dream job in mind, but rarely do any of us get options to live out the fantasy. Master Ice Cream Taster John Harrison is an exception, though. On an average day, Harrison samples about 60 packages of ice cream for Eating's Grand Ice Cream, known as Dreyer's, west of Colorado. The company finds his services so valuable that they've insured his taste buds for a cool $1 million. That's $100 per taste bud. Harrison estimates that during his 30 years in the business, he's sampled from almost 200 million gallons of ice cream. Too much of a good thing? No, Harrison says, pointing out that it's a tough job, but somebody has to do it. If you learned something new today, then give us a like, and subscribe our channel for more updates.